Did you know that soy sauce has gluten in it? My name is Shelly, and I'm a certified nutrition chef, teaching you how to cook a little bit healthier in your own kitchen. All right, so I love Asian-inspired dishes. I cook with that soy sauce all the time, but let me tell you something. It has gluten in it. They actually put wheat in soy sauce. So here are two healthy alternatives to soy sauce. Tamari, can you see it? There we go. Tamari, T-A-M-A-R-I, is gluten-free soy sauce. They just take the wheat out of it. The second one, coconut aminos. This is made from coconuts and it tastes like soy sauce. So ditch the soy sauce because it has gluten, and gluten causes a lot of inflammation in our body. Even if you don't have a gluten allergy, you shouldn't be eating gluten every day. It causes little bitty microscopic tears in your digestive tract, and your body has to go repair it. So ditch the soy sauce and stick with tamari or coconut aminos. Like and follow for more healthy cooking and eating tips.